The process of songwriting is all about brainstorming, daring to suck, sharing your ideas, and not editing yourself.
I'm working with a lot of teams where the marketplace or where the client is saying, what's different about you? Show me who you are. And for a lot of leaders, this is a difficult proposition to open themselves. And the idea of Encore is we'll learn from songwriters who open themselves up and create this indelible moment of connection. What are they doing that translates over to the most important work that you're doing for creating engagement?
We have a process for it, and we know that if we trust that process, that something will appear. To me, the source of creativity is not necessarily in me. I'm more of a conduit for it. When I think about it that way, it takes the pressure off me. I don't have to be the source. I just have to open up and listen and trust that it'll be there, and it comes. So there's a little bit of an otherworldly aspect to it, and that's where the magic of it is. That's why Nashville is such a magical place.